Alright, so here I have this box. Check out this box that I have for Max. It's a cigar box, but there's something like really cool inside. So I'm gonna give it to him for his 15th birthday and see how he reacts. Alright, here you go, Max.
What?
There's your birthday present.
What the heck?
I put tape on it.
Oh.
What is that?
Wait a minute.
What is...
These are all twos.
Huh? What's that thing? The other... What is that? A Switchblade comb knife. Old Fonzie style. Now blow your kazoo. You gotta blow your kazoo. You gotta blow your kazoo while you're combing your hair with your Switchblade.
I'm out.
Pimping out your $2 bills.
There.
Alright. Wow, man, you have a whole box of them. Get them all out of there and fan them. Let's see a good money shot. Let's get a good money shot. Just grab them all.
Jesus Christ.
Man, dude. Show the money. Look at that stack of twos. Fan them out like you're playing cards. Keep them going up more. You can fan them out more. Show those twos. All right. There you go. Whoa, man. Awesomeness. You like that? So you got a box, a cigar box of $2 bills, a Switchblade. Let's see the Switchblade comb knife quick again. All right, show the other side how it works. Like, show the actual...
Ow.
Yeah.
Little button right here.
Yeah.
You just...
Nice.
And it just folds out.
Cool.
Yeah. And the kazoo is just a kazoo.
Yeah. Awesome, man. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Cheers.